Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to contact Expedia by phone. If you're dealing with a travel issue or need to speak with customer service directly, this guide will walk you through the exact steps to get their phone number and reach out to them. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Contact Expedia Customer Service. This will bring up the official Expedia support page along with other relevant results. From the search results, click on Get in Touch with Expedia Customer Service. This will take you directly to their contact options page where you can find various ways to reach their support team. If prompted, log in with your credentials. This step helps Expedia provide personalized assistance based on your booking history and account details. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the full range of contact options available. Now navigate to the section labeled Reach Us by Phone and then click Get Started. This directs you to the phone support pathway, which is specifically designed to connect you with a live representative who can help resolve your concerns. In the right panel, you will see an option that says How to Contact Us. Click on Get in Touch. This opens up the next set of options that will help Expedia route your call to the right department based on your specific issue. Next, in the right panel, navigate to What do you need help with, and then click the drop-down menu. Here, select your concern from the list. Expedia offers a range of categories such as flight changes, cancellations, refunds, or general inquiries. Choosing the right option ensures you're connected to the appropriate team. After that, navigate to what type of booking do you have, then click the drop-down menu and select your concern from the list. Whether it's a hotel reservation, flight booking, vacation package, or car rental, selecting the correct option helps streamline the support process. Once you've made your selections, click Next to proceed. This action processes your choices and prepares the system to provide you with the relevant contact information. Finally, click Give us a call. At this point, you'll be presented with Expedia's provided local and international phone numbers. You can now use these numbers to contact their customer service team directly and speak with a representative who can assist you with your travel needs. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to Expedia's phone contact options and are ready to reach out for support. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.